Hi, it's a video on how to engage Dyno Mode on a Polestar 2. So let's get into it. So currently parked up, the car is on and parked. So we'll go into the infotainment, so go into the car settings and more and power off. So and confirm, car needs to be powered off for this to work. So you can see in the display we are powered off. So start with the light stalk. So you go to 0, hazard light once, foot on the brake, hazard light again, back to auto, release the foot brake. That's stage 1. So stage 2, push the stalk twice, press the unlock button on the key fob, foot on the brake, hazard button twice, and the car will display this menu. Well, first of all, it'll give you the usual one. Then there you go. So it will say Dyno Mode. So you switch to yes and confirm using the buttons on the steering wheel. Confirm that, and now it will say safety functions off. Don't drive like this, of course. So you confirm that. Then you can choose the type, 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So 4-wheel drive. Then you'll get this alert. Then it will tell you the parking brake is disabled. You'll notice on the left-hand side there that the parking brake is now not showing. So you should still have your foot on the foot brake at this point. It's a good idea to do that because your parking brake is disabled. ESC is off, so okay. And then you'll have this warning showing on the dash, and you can see obviously you've got a lot of alert lights flashing down the bottom. Worth noting at this point, as I say, the handbrake or the parking brake is no longer working. So if you are not on flat ground, if you release the foot brake, your car will roll. So bear that in mind. Also, this won't disable. As you can see, if I open the door, it will beep and shout, and it will tell me car is not parked, and it will keep beeping like this, and as long as the door is open. You can get out. I'll show you. Get back in. So obviously that allows you to swap to a a dyno operator or something. Close the door and it will stop shouting. So you haven't got my seatbelt on, so it's showing that. This alert will remain on the screen the whole time the dyno mode is active. As you can see there, to disable it, you do another 1, 2 on the hazard switch, and it will say the car is now in normal mode. Okay, that. And you can see all the warning lights go away, the parking brake symbol is now back, and we're in park, and the brake's on, and everything is in normal mode. So there you go, that's how you engage the dyno mode. Obviously, it goes without saying, use this at your own risk. Do not use this on the road, it's completely ridiculous. Obviously it turns off all sorts of safety features, and it is literally just for use on a rolling road. And that's about it. Enjoy. Just an additional little video, I thought I'd show you what happens if you choose to pick the 2-wheel drive option. So again, we're going through the alerts, blah blah blah, choose the type, 2-wheel drive. So you get the same alerts, same warnings. The only difference is that it will, on the dyno mode screen, it shows you which mode you're on. So obviously now we're in 2-wheel drive mode. Yeah, but that's the only difference. And then turning it off the same way, double tap the hazards, and you're back to normal.